Now, did y'all just see that, by the way? I just had some, like, almost like a rubberized something come off when I did like that, and that was that, this product. I guess because it's got a little bit of a gelness to it. You think that's why? I'm going to do this to kind of make sure. And go on my little, look at. Alright, by the way, don't ever brush down. Always pop your shirt. Like that. When you're trying to get rid of any little fallouts. Or have a bib on, or don't put your shirt on before you do your makeup. Okay, what am I missing? Liner. Are y'all doing okay? I hope you are. That stuff's still there. I'm just going to lay that down. This is the DHC. I always forget the name of this. Liquid Eyeliner EX. And then its little tagline on there is Perfect Pro Makeup. And I love this. I just made so many boo-boos going fast, and it still is not that difficult to deal with. Look at that. I do need to even that up. There. It's just easy to use, y'all. I kind of went overboard, didn't I? And because this will need just a sec to dry, I may or may not do my mascara on camera. Ah! I think that's a big boo-boo. That's the only thing, is this stuff dries really quick. And I don't have a Q-tip handy. So what I'm going to do, I got shaded it down a little just by some spit. I'm being real with y'all. But I'm going to take this and go back over it with the, where is it? The shader brush. Where is it? There it is. And I'm going to go back over it with this champagne truffle color, the highlight that was a little sparkly. I actually could have used a little of that in the middle. I don't think I ever put that on there, actually. No, I used the more muted shade. I'm just going to wake the eye up a little bit by putting this right in the middle and then blend it back either way. Okay, now I'm going to have to fix that. Oh my goodness, you fix one thing, now you got to fix everything. There we go. But now I need to blend that better in the crease. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry for the burp. There. There. I wouldn't call it perfection, but it's acceptable. Oh, goodness, I didn't do any blush. I look so white. What do I got? Let's use this, you know what I want to use? This is blush, but y'all, this for me is a bronzer. This is that Gingerly from MAC. Look at this color. For me, that is a bronzer. It's very tawny. So I'm going to use the butt end, the short end. And barely, I'm only lightly touching. Did I do any? I feel like none came off. It's very orange for me. Since I'm a pale person, and also because I have red on. Oh, excuse me. Actually, it's, maybe I'm doing it too light. Like that. And then I'm going to use just a little bit of rose on top of that to round out my cheeks, and that is my Milani Romantic Rose #1. This is a great blush, by the way. And look at the detail to product that this has to be a drugstore product. Milani is a drugstore product, very affordable. But it doesn't have a mirror, but that's okay. Mirror adds cost, so that's where they can save cost. And when you're trying to save money, they're like, okay, well then get your own little mirror. Which you should probably have a little mirror anyway. Smile and get that cheek. Blend back into that other color. Temples over the brow. I mean, yeah. Come down a little bit. On the bulbous chin. And then we're also going to do under here a little bit at the fatty. There. Blend down good. You're putting a shadow right there at your jaw, but then you got to blend down good. It'll be a line. Yeah, bulbous chin. Do you see how this area is very bright without using highlighter now? And how that just